Okay, so I just keyed the positive body bend direction, and I'll key it one more time just to make sure. Hit close. Now I should be able to select my handle and rotate that bend to complete revolutions. I can still adjust the body bend. Okay, that's good. So I can set these both back to 0. Now I need to go ahead and start locking down my rig, because I know that I'm done with this particular controller. So once an attribute has keyed information, you can go ahead and lock that attribute. It doesn't get rid of the key. But I want to turn off the visibility of this control. It doesn't need to be visible anymore. So I'm going to key that off, select all these attributes, and lock selected. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and lock that. And then we got the body bend, the OJack body underscore bend. We need to lock all these as well. Somebody grabbed too much stuff. Okay, and then I'll lock those. Now when we're done with our rig, not only are we going to lock these, we're going to hide them. Okay, so I could select all these, same attributes, right click and say hide selected. And now the animator can't even see them anymore. At least not in the channel box. So that's a good question. I usually forget to include that. So to make them visible again, so I'll go ahead and hide them. Okay, so you can go ahead and select that node. You go to channel, I think. It's been a while since I looked. Okay, so you can go to Window, General Editors, Channel Control. Okay, and inside the channel control, you can determine which attributes are keyable and which ones are not, and whether they're displayed or not. So this middle section is the non-keyable hidden section. So all you have to do is select one, and then you can move it wherever you want, and then it becomes that sort of attribute. Okay, to unlock an attribute, you go to the Locked tab, and you can grab these attributes and tell it to move it over to the right side to the non-locked side. Or you could grab one of these non-locked attributes and move it to the locked side. And that's how you would undo that. And that's probably a good place to stop today.